What's up everyone? Today we're going to be unboxing the new Parker Johnson Pro model from Sweets Kendamas. I just got this package in the mail yesterday and I thought I'd do another unboxing for you guys. So without further ado, let's get right into the unboxing. So if you don't know, Parker Johnson is the newest Sweets Kendama's Pro, and he designed this new Pro model. Wow, this looks really cool. Wow, it even comes with some candy. Let's take this out first. Receipt. Comes with some dum-dums and bubblegum. That's pretty cool. Hence the name Sweets Kendamas. Some stickers. Cool NBA logo one, or inspired by the NBA logo at least. That's nice. And nothing else. And yeah, here we have the Parker Johnson Pro model. Wow, very colorful looking at it. Lots of different colors on the packaging, on the kendama. So let's open it up. Or before I open it, let's look at the box a little bit. So on the front, it has his name, Parker Johnson, and a camera aperture and some basic tricks on the side, some more information. I got it in cushion clear paint this time. Picture of him and a little blurb about him. And yeah, let's open it. See what else is in here. Should be some stickers. Some nice colorful stickers. And extra string. Blue string. Nothing else. Okay, so let's look into the kendama. Wow, this is really nice. Very colorful, like I said. This kendama is heavily inspired on parts of a camera, as you can tell. The top of the tama is an aperture. That's the part of a camera where it lets in a certain amount of light. And since Parker is very into photography and videography, that's what he decided to design it on, which is very cool and different. Yeah, and as you can see on the tama on the side, that's the f-stop of the camera. And lots of watercolor design for tracking, different than the normal tracking dots that you see. And then as you go down the tama, this is like a part of a camera grip, but then also there's different grips in kendama, like Sarah grip, Ken grip, tama grip. And then as you go down, there's white near the bevel for tracking. And this is a maple on maple Ken and tama. So it's a little heavier than most kendamas, but that's what Parker likes. He said he likes heavier kendamas. Yeah, and then moving on to the Ken. We got some watercolor in the small cup. Nice little unique touch. Nothing on the big cup. And then on the Ken, we have his unique seal. Nice glossy seal with a nice watercolor design in the center. And then on the side, where you grip the kendama, there are tire treads. If you didn't know, Parker has a nickname, PK Ripper. He goes by that on Instagram. And as you can see very closely there, it says PK Ripper. His dad gave him that nickname based on a bike. And so everyone calls him that, PK Ripper, which I thought is pretty cool. And there's a base cup bevel to help with lunars. And the string is 5, 6, about a 8-finger string, I'd say. And yeah, a super sick kendama. I really love the camera elements that he put into this. I am also into videography and a little bit of photography, so it's pretty cool to see that on a kendama. I also ordered a camera, so I'm going to do an unboxing of that very soon. Very excited about that, so stay tuned for that. Yeah, so thank you guys for watching this unboxing video. Hope you all enjoyed it. Leave a comment below on what you think of this Parker Johnson Pro Model kendama, and if you bought one yourself or if you want to buy one. And also thank you guys for 200 subscribers. Thank you so much for that and all the support. And with that, I will see you guys in the next one.